Hey you guys, it's Vijaya and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are throwing it back to my childhood. We're getting super nostalgic because growing up, I loved French onion dip. I had it at school once and then I was like, what goes into this? And all that it was Lipton French onion soup mixed together with mayo and sour cream. And the moment I knew this, I ran home and got my mom to buy a ton of this soup so that we could make it all the time. I ate so many chips, so many veggies because of it. And today I'm putting my very own spin on it with my homemade spicy masala onion chip dip. Now this is taking the French onion dip to the next level with the flavors of India. It is so explosive, super easy to make, and it's the perfect Netflix and chill dish. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're loving the videos. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, all you have to do is click the info box under this video and everything you need is there. Let's go make an onion dip. So we're gonna start by caramelizing some onions. So I have a couple of yellow onions here. I like them because they're nice and strong and they'll give the dip a nice oniony flavor. And I finely diced them up. Now into my frying pan, I'm going to add a touch of butter, or a lot of butter, and we're gonna melt that down, add in our onions, and we're gonna slowly cook this on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring often until the onions become deeply caramelized, softened, and browned. Now to bring some Indian flavor to the mix, I'm going to add in some ground cumin, some beautiful yellow turmeric, as well as some red chili powder for heat. I'm also gonna add some fresh cracked black pepper, and we're gonna toast that off for about 10 to 15 seconds, remove it from the heat, and allow the mixture to completely cool down. Now we're going to assemble the dip, which could not be simpler. In a bowl, I have a little bit of sour cream, and to that, I'm going to add some mayonnaise, as well as our cooled down onion mixture. I'm going to season up with a touch of salt, and we're gonna fold all those ingredients together so that they're well mixed. Refrigerate for about 2 hours or even longer for better flavor, and just like that, our easy spicy masala onion chip dip is done. Now, who doesn't love chips and dip? I still love it to this day. And of course, I'm armed with a chip. This is a ripple chip. So important when you're dunking into a dip. Let's give it a scoop. Oh my gosh, so lush and rich. Mmm. Mmm. On the first bite, I get those deeply caramelized onions coming through. They're nice and rich, sweet, and they really add a punch to the dip, folded into that beautiful mayonnaise and sour cream mixture, which is nice and tangy, and those spices. The life of India in this dip, the cumin, the turmeric, the chilli, they all come through loud and clear and give this dip such a special, unique flavor. So the next time that you're just hanging out and you need a snack or you're about to Netflix and chill, consider my spicy masala onion chip dip. It is so easy to make, stores super well in the fridge, and it makes snack time super fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, concern, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.